have a consistent approach to the way we manage the bank from a financial point of view. And there are certain financial metrics very specifically that we stick to, we try to adhere to. One of these is a return on equity of over 10.5%. The other is to maintain margins and to maintain a return on assets in the range of 1.5% to 2%. Thirdly, we're very focused on efficiency. I think I'm right in saying that we're the most cost-efficient bank in Oman, and we have a ratio of around 35%. So these are some of the financial parameters which we stick to, which we try to manage. 2017 started in a very challenging manner for Ahlibank and for the banking sector, and indeed for many people in Oman. The liquidity in the banking sector was quite tight, and as a result, the cost of funding really increased. So we had planned to roll out an expansion of branches last year, but in light of the way in which the economy was looking, we decided to postpone that to 2018. So we were prudent on the cost spend. We also raised 50 million riyals from a alternative Tier 1 subordinated bond, which was helpful in the sense that the cost of that instrument passes through the equity structure rather than the profit and loss. So that was an efficient way for us to raise funding. And thirdly, we focused on retail banking in the sense that we maintained our asset levels, but we substantially increased the CASA, the current account and savings account deposits, by around 30%. Due to several promotions which we launched last year. We will be a little more visible because we are going to be opening up to 5 branches throughout the country. We will be launching a number of new prize categories with an increased prize pot in excess of 1 million riyals, which is the highest pot that we've had so far. And I think business as usual on the corporate front. We see good opportunities. Despite the challenging conditions that are prevailing, there's no lack of opportunities to do business on the terms which we are willing to do that. I think I'm confident personally that this year will be a better year both for Oman and for the banking sector. The cost of funding, which has really been an issue for us over the last 2 years, is starting to come down now. Having said that, for those customers who borrow in dollars, the cost of their borrowing may go up as the Federal Reserve raises interest rates this year. So I think on the whole, optimistic, hopefully a better year. It's been a long and successful journey, I would say, and I give credit to my predecessors before me and to the board members, both past and present. We went from purely a housing business with 7 branches and a balance sheet size of 200 million riyals to a balance sheet size of 2.5 billion riyals and 20 branches. And during that time, our staff has increased from 100 to currently around 500. I think it's good to look back and see that the bank has grown in a measured way. It's grown progressively year on year, and we've been able to deliver reasonably good returns, I would say, for our shareholders.